maybe.
I gotta get that border and everything. I could, if I wanted just the flag.
He's moving. Wait, dude, he burrowed. He's underneath this popcorn-looking stuff.
He does that.
He's underneath there, dude.
Yeah, young screw protector. Alright, where's the zip tie? Here it is. Okay. I might just... I want to put one more on this side. I think I'm going to do the Made in Japan.
Dude, the chair. It's a round chair for $20.
That's when we saw 20 bucks.
That one was 40, I think, when we saw it.
Yeah, it was like 25-ish.
Yeah, right there, 40.
Save 50%. Oh yeah, it had been 40 if you say 50, yeah. I want to see if they have the triangle one. If you see that one, triangle one, you tell me, because I want that one. Alright, we'll do the zip tie one. Right there.
I need a tall one for when I'm working. You could get this and put the 3-wheeler in there. The cargo rack.
I saw that while we were there. Yeah, it was $70 when I saw it.
That's really cheap. $40 for a cargo
rack. That
rack.
must be like the put together your own furniture kind of material. You know what I'm talking about? That metal that bends at the sleight of hand.
That's really cheap. A drill press for $159. Shop press, not a drill press. What am I talking about?
Well, it's just called a drill press.
No,
what are you looking at?
It's a shop press, yeah.
Do you have any
it's
drill
like a
presses?
press. I don't think so.
Probably.
How come they gave you the thing and they didn't give me one?
I don't know, I just threw it back. Probably because I'm a new person.
Yeah, maybe.
Sign
Probably because they emailed me all this stuff.
Yeah, this kid, he keeps coming. Taking part of it for it.
Oh, here's all the cheap stuff, dude. Hey, you know your, oh, that's not it, never mind.
Like that, huh? I think I'll do Made in Japan right here. Some more color on this side.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and I'll do this one on this side.
Need some solar panels? Let's run this computer off solar power.
Yeah, because it has like barely anything to like be powered. It's got nothing to this computer.
Dude, the welder on sale for $81. Normally 110.
That's like the cheapest welder you
It's got 4.5 stars.
Yeah, for the guys who actually are dying to need one. Dude, Miller, man, that's how you do it. Miller welding. Oh no! The little piece inside the D won't come out.
The what? Oh.
This. You better come on. We did it. Mission accomplished. Okay, I think I'm just gonna put this right. Yeah. This one's gonna be hard to load. Give me some light here. Get my phone.
You're good.
Yeah, no, I'm not.
You're fine.
I'm
Stick it
gonna
on
die.
there. Dude, it's a sticker.
Yeah. That looks pretty good. Boom.
Dog.
Doge.
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 Doge. Dog. Oh, she responded to that. This video is 43 minutes.
I know, we probably should have stopped it.
No, we could just put this whole video up.
It's gonna take days to upload.
Not really.
Yeah, dude, like 10-minute videos for me take forever.
Really?
I bet you it'll take forever on this computer.
10-minute video. No, it would probably be faster than your Mac.
Wow, look at that. Force of 10,000 tigers. It still picks up on this. Let's go on this side.
It's not really uploading, it's the processing.
That's what I mean. Oh my god.
Dude, is this like straight out of eBay stickers? Put
They
it back
are.
on. Put it back on and like rub it like a lot. Rub it all the way on there.
That's what she's...
Oh, oh, oh. So, gotta like really rub this one in.
It's because it's got a lot of area to it. Go straight down with it.
I can't see. Are we losing pieces? There we go. No.
A little.
No. I don't even know.
Oh, that's the
Oh, it's
angle.
like a multi-layer. Oh no.
It's like the
Wait,
3D.
no, this is
No,
look.
it's alright, it's alright.
No,
It's like
it's
the
coming
3D
off.
angle of the,
No, look. This is separate. Does that little line?
It's
See
like
it coming
the,
up?
Yeah, it's like the. Yeah, see, it's.
It's like you can feel it. It's a different piece. This is a detailed sticker.
The guy was really official when he got the sticker too.
Can't lose the last zip tie.
No, God forbid. This is the most important part right here. No.
Whoa. Here, just
Yeah,
let it.
take it off
Just let it
and then-
go. Oh, there you go.
And then we'll just.
This one you gotta be. Yeah,
As you were saying, you must be really careful.
it's alright. It's a zip tie.
Thanks, Connor.
You're welcome.
You really did mess up the sticker.
Dude, I didn't mess it up.
You
I'll
creased
fix
it.
You creased this one like 12 times.
Nah, no, dude, it looks mint now.
You're
That's
good.
fine.
You can't even tell. Just go like that and.
Every time.
Oh look, fold it over. You can't even see it now.
Every time I see it now, I'll just think of how you.
Good. I hope you do.
All right, let's put the Made in Japan one on now. I like that on that side. It's pretty cool. That's not Made in Japan.
You should get this workbench for your computer.
You should get it.
I already got a computer desk.
Alright, this Best Buy bag will be trash bag.
You need an inverter, then you can run your computer in your Jeep.
There you go. Yeah, they're expensive, man.
That generator's really cheap. 88 bucks.
Probably cheap, yeah. Like, the quality.
Little two-stroke.
Dude, yeah, I saw a lot of 2 cycles. Yeah.
2 horses. More than the mini bike. Or not the mini bike. 3-wheeler. How many does that have?
Probably like half.
Yeah. Probably got like 2. I don't know. It's from 1973.
Yeah.
I wouldn't say that they're most
40-something
power efficient.
They run great though for being like 45
Does.
years old. It was like second pull we got that thing running after we got the carb on it. Just got it right there. God, this is not another one. Peel and hope to God it stays.
This is a good one. And made in Japan.
This is like really thick, like
Yeah, it's like a
this is like
vinyl. It's a vinyl sticker, I think.
trees worth of stickers right here.
It's a vinyl.
There we go.
It's a record.
Oh,
It's a
rough.
record, dude.
Dude, no, it's a peel one, but it's not. It's all one piece, so it's good.
Yeah, but I think it's a vinyl sticker. It feels like vinyl.
It does.
I think at an angle, maybe.
I don't
Or
know.
maybe up a little bit.
Yeah. There. Some creases in it. I just gotta take that plastic. I got 2 more of these. I have 1 more of these. Came in a 2-pack. I think I have to.
Put it on the Jeep.
I know.
Everybody were like, what the heck?
That'd be so funny.
Put it on your boat. Oh, it's got a front one, too?
What? Yeah.
Oh, that's not vinyl. Never mind.
Yeah.
The front, that piece of plastic feels like vinyl.
Yeah, see, like the gradient in it.
It feels like vinyl, bro. It actually does.
Alright, that's all for the stickers.
Dude,
we
the
have.
mats. The mats are on sale for $8.
Oh, it's on sale.
March. Why are they giving me March coupons?
Dude, you know you're gonna come back.
Huge parking lot sale. I guess you're gonna be in the parking lot
Like rednecks and
with like the whole 3
The whole-
parking spots that they have.
all the kids they have too. Alright.